Right, hi guys. This is going to be really short. I just wanted to add on to the video that I made yesterday about the Fibonacci levels. So this is on the daily time frame, and it's taken from August or September last year when this bull run basically started. So normally you take a Fibonacci level from when a trend starts. So there was a slight change in trend. So obviously that's the obvious point to start it and right to the top. So we are on the logarithmic scale. So this one isn't that good, but I mean, look at these levels, how they were respected. I mean, but we didn't have the Fibonacci, the top level, um, when the chart was in this area. But the maths just work out perfectly. And okay, when we reach even there before we got to the top, but then we reach the top, and look how these levels were really, really well supported. I can just zoom in a bit. Yeah, so if you look at the daily candle closes, that's like, phew, you don't get closer than that. But the better chart is when you go just in like the non-logarithmic one. It's still the same start of the trend to where the trend topped out. When you zoom in, like those levels, I mean, the top wasn't even, how can I say, available yet when the chart was still going up. It already had those levels. Coming down once again, look at this golden pocket. Look at that wick. That's perfect. Just going to the 4 hour here, get a better view. So I've been using the Fibonacci for quite a long time now, but I never looked at it at a macro scale. So what made me really pay attention is that this one guy, well, I'm doing quite an intensive course now, and he called this level where this is the 22nd of June, and he called it around here, the 22nd of May, around here, where we week down. That was the 19th of May, I think, yeah. So it was around here, and he said, a month ahead, he set that level. He said, we're going down to 28. I'm not sure where my level is at 28,529, but he called 28,8. I think 28,830 he called, but it's just a different chart. So I'm on the, let me just see on which chart I am. I think I'm on the Bitfinex Bitstamp. I'm on the Bitstamp chart. I use this one because it goes back quite far. So, I mean, you don't get more perfect than that. So it, it tested the top of the golden pocket like the 618, but that was like the perfect retest on a 0.66. So this area between the two yellow lines we call the golden pocket. I got in a trade here. I didn't have this information back then, I must admit, but that made me sit up and pay attention. So I got in at 29, somewhere there. I got into this trade, and I had a nice trade up there. But if you got in there, that's about a 23%. So, I mean, people trade with 5x leverage and 10x. I know that some people made over 1,000% profit just in this little rise up there, 2.5 days, yeah. But anyway, so don't always want to measure the money. It's about the technical analysis and how you get to your entries, and you still have to execute it as well. So really interesting Fibonacci chart, this, or Fibonacci layout on the uh, Bitcoin chart. All right, that's